Hi from Paul Simon and Entrepreneurial Grit. Just like to go through some of what we're doing at the moment. 80% of your time should be around promotional and marketing, and then eventually getting back round to your sales and your selling, so where you're ready with your phone, your website and everything else. I've just learned that experience from Grant Cardone and promoting through his business model. We've got our business model of branded product, which can go on slap walling to upsell either umbrellas, sunglasses, great for your keys, dog products, you name it. It's got lots of functionality, and I'm going to be demonstrating that over the next week or two against slap walling, so it can be direct into the sales. So we're trying to promote this business model and market this business model. We're involved with 3D printing now, where you print your own product and brand your own product. It's a white label goods, so it's great for upselling. And I'm sure once you come and see a demonstration of how useful the product is, and you see how good the business model's potential, please feel free to get in touch at any time and discuss what we're looking to do. That's great from what we've learnt today from Grant Cardone and the 10X program. So boom, 10X.